a free car. Which car, you may ask? Granny spec Toyota Corolla. This is some of the goodies we were talking about before, just to name a few. I thought also, you know, you probably need some fuel money as well.
Oh man,
for an extra $100.
thanks so much. It's like Christmas.
You can leave that at home.
Oh, it is Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho!
Thank you, Kruzer, Earthmoving and Mental Health Foundation.
Quick stop for the car. Get some air fresheners at Super Cheap Auto in Sunbury. Yeah, thank you.
Hey guys, sorry I overheard you.
Yeah.
And I would like to donate this bucket to your company
Yeah.
for your men's mental health awareness.
Yeah. No, look, much appreciated. Thank you very much. It makes me want to tear up, sort of thing, when you see people just all want to come in and help. So, yeah. And I'm sure the young kid, his name's Zach, he's a young apprentice, so I'm sure he's going to be grateful. So, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Next stop, Zach. Here we come. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Here's your car.
Wow, hey.
Come and have a look. Check it out.
Wow, looks really clean.
Working up the back.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. BM stuff. Got Repco stuff.
Bloody
got
hell.
Milwaukee,
Yeah.
Makita drills.
Gee, mate.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. Thank you so
Full
much.
service kit. Harley Heaven. Beechworth Bakery. Yeah, 2 toolkits there. A lot
Yeah.
of cleaning products as well.
Yeah.
Sports exhaust from Sharpies.
Damn,
man.
damn, thank you so
You've done well, mate.
Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that.
That's all right.
Gee, yeah, I've never won something like this before, so
Yeah.
yeah, I really appreciate that, man. It really means a lot.
That's it.
Really means a
It's
lot.
all good, man. It's what we do. You know,
Ooh.
men's mental health.
Yeah.
We're out there trying to make
Yeah.
a difference.
Yeah.
You know, helping one person at a time.
Yeah. No,
So-
no, thank you.
This will be able to get you, to and from work.
Yeah, yeah.
Because as you were struggling a bit.
Yeah, no, helps, makes a really big difference, mate. Thank you to you. Thank you to everyone who also donated. They didn't have to do that. Really big respect, and yeah, for a good cause as well.
It is, man.
So, yeah, really good cause. I'll take good care of it.
Yeah.
I really appreciate
Well, I
that.
filled her up for fuel with you.
Yeah,
Obviously, it's raining at the moment, so we cleaned it up a bit. But a
Yeah.
bit of rain came in
Yeah.
when we were doing it late last night.
yeah.
So
That's alright.
I thought, for the inconvenience of that, I'll give you an extra $100.
Oh, seriously.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
That's alright. That's
Oh,
all good.
man, I really appreciate
That's all
that.
good. I thought also, you probably need some fuel money as well.
Oh,
For
man.
for an extra $100.
Thanks so much.
And
Gee.
I reckon that you probably need some lunch money for.
Oh, mate. That's crazy.
And what else? I reckon. What else do you need?
Dude,
I reckon you probably need to buy some Christmas presents for
yeah.
some family. There's another 100.
What the? That's
And-
nuts.
What else? I think because it is Christmas, you probably need another Christmas present. So here's another $100.
Shit, I can't believe that. That's
Man.
actually nuts.
Is this your old man over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your name? Nick. Oh, we've got another Nick.
How you going, buddy?
Good, mate. I reckon the old man needs a Christmas present too. He's going
Oh, you're joking.
Yeah, buddy.
No.
No, mate, take it.
You serious
Yeah,
or what?
take it.
Hey, you say you're like Father Santa Claus.
Where's your beard?
Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, sorry.
Where's your beard in here?
I had a shave.
Oh. Thank you so much, man.
But as I said,
That's going to help him a lot.
I'm hoping it will, mate.
You know,
Yeah.
it will.
Yeah.
I'll guarantee you it's going to help.
Yeah, nah. Oh, really, really big thank you, man.
Well, comes with 12 months worth of reg as well.
Yeah,
so,
beautiful.
yeah. So,
Yeah.
got
Yeah.
the transfer papers there. We'll transfer it into your name.
Yeah,
Get it
beautiful.
sorted.
Yeah. Oh,
And,
I can't believe that.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, mate.
Yeah.
You want to go through the stuff?
Yeah, I'll go through the back.
Yeah, have a look
Yeah,
at
sure.
it. Yeah.
Oh, lucky I've got a cat. Some nice tools. Beechworth Bakery, you can't go wrong, mate.
Yeah, like
if
this.
you love a good pie.
I think they're like $50 vouchers, like 50, 100, 150, 200. You know, these are $100 vouchers. So
Yeah.
you know, what's that? There's four there, so there's $400 worth of vouchers. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's a beauty. Got some more tools in here.
Yeah, Makita
Keto.
stuff. There's a lot. Yeah, bottle jack.
Oh
But
wow.
As you seen last night, we ripped this whole interior out.
Yeah.
And then just steam cleaned everything.
Yeah.
We found a jack in here as well.
Oh, good.
Just so you know.
Yeah, no, I need that.
But yeah, obviously, one of the sponsors. I'm not quite sure which one it came from.
Yeah.
Persons, Repco, one of them. Yeah, bottle jack there as well. Took some bit more tool
Yep.
sets.
Yep.
Cooler bar turf as well. Some lawn seed.
Yep.
Some car products as well. Some more stuff from Harley Heaven and Harley from Melbourne on Diamond Road.
Yeah.
Some glasses.
Oh, beauty.
Thank all the sponsors there.
Oh yeah, I'm happy to thank him again. Like that is way too much. Wow.
We've got Bolton's motorcycles. They chipped in all these jackets and that.
Yeah.
A few $100 worth of really good clothes. We've got Reese Plumbing. They chucked
Yeah,
in.
everything in here.
Yeah.
It's like
You can
Christmas.
move that at home.
Oh, it is Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho!
Yeah. Yeah. I can't believe that. Gee.
Zach,
Yep.
I reckon you need a new shirt, mate.
Beauty.
That's it.
That looks a lot better. Turn around, just to show. See? Thanks guys for all the sponsors out there that have really chipped in for this car. You guys have really changed some lives, and for us to keep doing this type of stuff, you've got our phone number, give us a call. And yeah, Zach, Merry Christmas, mate.
Thank you very much, mate.
And
Going to good cause behind it, so yeah, one step at a time.
that's it. Kruzer Earthmoving, check us out on YouTube. And we're giving away our holiday soon, so stay tuned.
Thank you, Kruzer Earthmoving and Mental Health Foundation.